Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today on the bench I have a beautiful 18 size keywind Waltham. The case is sterling silver and intricately engraved and monogrammed. The details are still nice and sharp as well. The movement is from 1872 and at the time was considered fully jeweled, having 15 jewels. It appears to be in pretty good condition. The balance looks good. Let's go ahead and begin the service. Despite being a bit of a pain to repair if anything's broken, keywind pocket watches are probably my favorite to service. They're incredibly straightforward and don't have a lot of parts, which means fewer areas that can become worn out. I always remove these style canon pinions with a pin vise. It's in pretty good shape. The intermediate wheel looks great as well. And the hour wheel looks fine too. The center wheel bushing is a very common wear area on keywind pocket watches. And this one is no exception. This is from a combination of the force of the mainspring combined with the force of setting the time. Add on top of that a stretched service interval and you get the wear seen here. I'll remove the balance now. This is what's called a sprung over balance, where the hairspring is attached to the main plate. The hairspring stud is secured with this screw and is somewhat friction fit to the plate. The balance pivots and hairspring are in very good condition. Now I'll unscrew the barrel bridge. This screw has some light surface rust, so I'll clean that off. I'll check the arbor for wear before I fully remove the bridge. It does have some wiggle room, so I'll close that up as well. This white area on the barrel lid is indicative of moisture. The barrel looks like it's in good condition. The previous watchmaker mistakenly put the balance cock screw on the plate. You can see the plate screws are all domed and this one is flat. I'll unscrew the main plate now. All of the top jewels look good. The pallet fork is in good condition. The escape wheel has a bit of Rodico left over from the previous watchmaker. A good reminder to double check everything before you send it off to a customer. Otherwise, it looks fine. All of the other wheels are in great shape. The pillar plate jewels are all in good shape as well. Here's another mismatched screw. This one is flat, as are the rest of the dial side screws. I'm pretty sure the domed screw is for the click spring here. The ratchet wheel looks like it's in good shape. And that's the disassembly complete. I'll be back once it's reassembled and ready to go. And here's the movement, cleaned and running. I didn't fully wind the watch, so the amplitude is only around 180 degrees. I'm more interested in preserving this watch, so its performance isn't a big deal. Here's the dial. That peg at 11 o'clock is to help secure the movement in the case. I made a new one, so it's not cut to size yet. And here's the watch cased and completed. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.